LDRSMP is a globally recognized scalp micropigmentation training academy. Whether you're enrolled in one of our fundamental classes or our master classes, we provide the best education for you and your success in the scalp micropigmentation world. Our courses are designed to give you both theory and hands-on experience in performing SMP procedures.
And it's a fantastic industry to kind of be in because it's kind of, it's an industry that hasn't even begun. If you're not living, breathing SMP, you'll get left behind.
We'll cover the entire process from consultation to aftercare so that you'll be fully prepared to work with clients in the real world. During the training, you'll have plenty of opportunities to practice our signature techniques with guidance from our experienced master trainers. You'll learn how to properly use the equipment, create natural-looking hairlines, and achieve realistic results. Thank you so much for choosing LDRSMP Training Academy. We're confident that you'll leave with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this exciting and rewarding field. We can't wait to see you at our next class.